How, according to you, is it critical for first class cricket to shape a player?
I am from the old school, so it is obvious that I will always say that first class cricket is very, very, very essential.
Has there been any memory with a teammate that you still remember, that you still cherish?
I was very fortunate to share a dressing room with. He never forced anyone to be strict or anyone to be calm and composed. He just enjoyed his school days, and Mumbai dressing room's atmosphere was electrifying.
If you had to describe spirit or essence of MIG Club in your words, how would you?
So MIG Cricket Club, name itself says that it is a cricket temple. But MIG was the first one who had an in-house fully sponsored academy.
Who, according to you, is the legend of Indian cricket?
Do I need to mention the name? Everyone knows it, and that is none other than...
Hello there everyone, welcome to Bat Ball or Bate, powered by Agami Realty. In this episode, there's something iconic. Obviously, you can see me at the iconic MIG Club. क्या guess कर सकते हैं आप कौन होने वाला है इस एपिसोड में, इस one-on-one over segment में? नहीं पता? चलो बताती हूँ. So in this one-on-one over, we are going to be having one-on-one conversation with Amit Dani. He is the former first-class cricketer and currently he is the Cricket and Administration Secretary at the iconic MIG Club, as well as he is the DGM at Indian Oil Corporation. So hello and welcome to the show.
Yeah, thank you, Kiara.
So the very first question I want to ask is the most avoided one is first-class cricket. I feel somewhere slightly ignored. People forget that फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेट है जिधर से क्रिकेटर का एक्चुअली वो जज्बा चालू होता है. हाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू यू इज इट क्रिटिकल फॉर फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेट टू शेप अ प्लेयर with so much experience as well, sir?
So I am from the old school, so it is obvious that I will always say that first class cricket is very, very, very essential to shape up any player, any format for that matter. And to reach there, you need a club cricket. And you have to perform in club cricket. But it is just not the school cricket anymore, because earlier, before our days, there was a school cricket which was very strong, school and college level. But after that, there was a club who can take any player to that first class level. And from there, they can reach to the national level. So obviously, first class is very, very important.
Coming to now the other side of cricket, teamwork and understanding, both together play a very important part again. Has there been any memory with a teammate that you still remember, that you still cherish?
I was very fortunate to share a dressing room with Sachin Tendulkar, the great Sachin Tendulkar. So whenever he's around, so that atmosphere I can still feel that he never forced anyone to be strict or anyone to be calm and composed. He just enjoyed his school days, and Mumbai dressing room's atmosphere was electrifying, because the God himself was there. So we can't have masti as such, but at the same time, there was no quiet moments where we are just sitting in the dressing room and saying, yeah, Sachin is around, we should not be having fun. So we always had a great time.
Got it. Now, if you look at past, any match that you want to probably relive with the wisdom you have right now?
There are many matches. See, in cricket or in any sports, that winning and losing is a part and parcel of the game. So, I personally feeling one match, if I had to say, then that won't be my particular game, but the final Mumbai versus Haryana, where Dilip Vengsarkar sir scored a 135 not out, and Mumbai lost by 3 runs. So that was the greatest match ever played in first class. So, and I witnessed that match all 5 days at Wankhede with Achrekar sir. So the only difference was we were in a losing side. So I want that match to replay it and want to win that.
Okay, that sounds truly iconic. Coming to now the other iconic MIG Club. MIG Club has such a long story, and it has nurtured so many players. If you had to describe spirit or essence of MIG Club in your words, how would you?
So MIG Cricket Club, name itself says that it is a cricket temple. Then we have been having in-house academy when there was no academy culture as such. But MIG was the first one who had an in-house, fully sponsored academy. And we started, I think, 35, 40 years ago. And our first academy head coach was the great Sandeep Patil sir. And after that, he was there for 5 years. Then we had Chandrakant Pandit. He started his coaching journey from MIG. He was the academy head coach. Then there were many coaches who were the part of MIG academy. So yes, MIG has always been producing good cricketers, good first-class cricketers, good state-level junior cricketers. And it is continued. That journey is continued. And we are very fortunate to have many good players.
Again, talking about MIG club, clubs like MIG, they have to balance the tradition while keeping, the modern cricket needs in mind. How, according to you, see, MIG club evolving while keeping, the modern cricket needs in mind?
See, when we say modern cricket, that means T20 cricket we talk about. So MCA, Mumbai Cricket Association, is taking a great initiative in having so many T20 tournaments like President Cup they have recently introduced. Then even before the Mushtaq Ali Trophy, they have there are few iconic tournaments which have been going on for last 70, 80 years. So they have, so one of that tournament is Talim Shield, which MIG hosting for last 70 years. So they have requested us to host that in T20 format. It is a one-day format tournament otherwise, and it's always been played in a one-day format. But last few years, since COVID time, they have requested us to have it in T20 format, and we happily had that tournament in T20 format. So such initiatives need to be taken, and MCI is taking those initiatives.
Last year, I'm asking you a fun question actually. Who, according to you, is the legend of Indian cricket?
Do I need to mention the name? Everyone knows it, and that is none other than Bharat Ratna, our own Sachin Tendulkar, Mumbai's Mulga, and he's still by heart and by everything. He's still a Mumbai guy, and we all worship him. We don't just love him. We like a god. Yeah, he's a god of cricket, and truly he's a god of cricket, and especially I worship him. So he's the only probably. And Gavaskar sir, of course, he has done so much for Mumbai cricket, and there are many legends. And Mumbai is blessed with having so many greats like Rohit Sharma, then Sachin Tendulkar, Gavaskar sir, Paulie Umrigar sir. Then I'll probably forget. We have at least 100 plus great names. Yes, the list is endless. And but greatest, if you say, so obviously Sachin Tendulkar, because he's from our generation and we have seen him becoming the great. So obviously Sachin Tendulkar.
I think this conversation was truly insightful in understanding legend क्या होता है, legend की शुरुआत कहाँ से होती है, and I truly enjoyed this conversation. Thank you so much for giving us insights, memories that are cherished forever. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kiara. Thank you very much.
Well, that's a wrap. Honestly, being here at the MIG Cricket Club, it just feels too good. The vibe here is absolutely amazing. Our next episode of Bat Ball or Bate will be out soon. So till then, stay tuned and keep catching up with Kiara.